Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. These are the Dive Rite Trauma Shears. So they are a very traditional size and kind of design trauma shears used by paramedics all over the world. This is more designed for divers, mainly because of this sheath and kind of the way they're sort of secured into it. So if we look at the sheath first, so this is a nylon cordura sheath. You've got a few different ways of attaching it onto your system. So the first way is this kind of loop here, so you can thread it onto a 2-inch webbing strap. So if you want that on a kind of a belt loop or something, it'll sit there quite neatly. Running throughout this kind of red nylon is this kind of black plastic. So this is a sort of semi-rigid plastic that just gives the sheath kind of rigidity and a kind of strength to it, I suppose. A few other ways, we've got these two little clips that mean that you can attach it onto like a molly style strap. You can sort of remove that if you don't want to attach it onto that kind of molly daisy chain type thing. You can kind of unthread those and then use these black straps to thread it onto something. You can also use that to kind of clamp it onto a horizontal, sort of thinner, maybe like a 1-inch strap. So if you want to mount it horizontally. So you've got a lot of different mounting options to attach this wherever you want it sort of on your system. And then the actual cutting shears themselves, they're secured in position by this velcro. So it doesn't matter which way you put the shears in, because there's velcro on both sides, so you can sort of secure it down. Plastic D-ring, so you've got something to grab onto to release that, and then that's just attached onto a simple piece of bungee. Trauma shears, very familiar, you'll recognize these. So they're made out of stainless steel, so just make sure that you sort of wash and clean them and dry them between each dives, that way rust won't form. Oversized handles, so even if you're wearing big clunky gloves, you can still get your sort of fingers and thumb through that. Lots of different sort of cutting options. So the main one is the actual shears themselves. So these are serrated. They're blunt tip as well, so they're sort of really neat and very easy. So if you're trying to cut someone out of a suit, for example, it's going to be, you're not going to cut them basically, you're going to be cutting through exactly what you want. A nice amount of precision and a good amount of force as well. So if you're cutting through like hard webbing straps, it's going to go through sort of quick and easy. You also have a little sort of notch in here. So this is for sort of harder but small sort of things. You can cut through that sort of more like a pair of side cutters, a pair of pliers. You get a nice amount of force going through that. And other than that, yeah, they're pretty much trauma shears. Very quick and easy to stow away, nice and sort of strong and secure. And yeah, it's that kind of tried and tested design. Paramedics all over the world and emergency services use them. So yeah, they're definitely worth taking with you on a dive. These are the Dive Rite Trauma Shears. Thanks for watching, safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.